Hey guys, welcome to Synchronicity Tarot. So today I'm back again with another pick a card reading, and this reading will be who will you marry or who is your future spouse. So this is most requested reading that I'm going to do frequently. Okay, so who will you marry? Who is your future spouse? Let's see. And we have three piles as usual. One is white quartz, and second pile is tree agate, third is black tourmaline. So whichever pile you are intuitively connected with, you can choose the pile. If you need more time, you can pause the video and you can select the pile. If you want to meditate on the pile, you can do so to choose the pile. Okay, before starting the reading, I would like to thank all my viewers and subscribers for constant support and motivation. Welcome to all the new subscribers and whoever is constantly supporting me. My heartfelt thanks to all of you. Okay, so without wasting much time, let's start the reading. But before starting, I would like to say one thing, that these are general readings. They may or may not resonate with everybody. Please take it whatever resonates with you and leave the rest. Okay, without wasting much time, let's start the reading. We will start with pile number 1. Whoever chose this white quartz, this reading is for you. Who will you marry? Who is your future spouse? Angels and spirit guides, please give us some guidance and clarity. Who will they marry or who is their future spouse? Please give us some clarity and guidance. Who will they marry or who is their future spouse? Five of moons, three of suns, the hanged man. Okay, bottom of the deck we have the empress. Okay, so maybe you will marry the person who you are already separated from. The empress, it denotes that maybe you have children with this person, or maybe this person is your ex. Okay, maybe, or you both got separated or divorced. The same person you are going to marry again. For some of you, whoever is looking for the second alliance, I'm telling you. Okay, now, or you will be marrying a person who is already married or divorced. Okay, so this person is not single, or yeah, or you're also maybe coming out of any relationship, then you will meet this person. Okay, already if you have somebody in your mind, some connection is there with the other person, and you broke up, you got separated, then you will be marrying the same person, because five of moons is here. Five of moons means walking away, or feeling very sad. Okay, not walking away, actually feeling very sad over some connection which is not in reality right now. Okay, that means it is your past. Okay, so this person will be there are two scenarios here. One is, this person is regretting about their past, or missing their past person, or they got divorced and they are thinking about their wife. Okay, or mother or father of their children. Okay, that is the scenario. Then you will meet this person. For some other people, like totally single, who are totally single, for them, maybe your person is coming out of a connection, like a breakup. Maybe they are into some different boyfriend girlfriend kind of a relationship. Then they are coming out of that situation. Then you will meet them. And first of all, let me tell you the signs here. The signs can be Taurus or Libra, or Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Then I can see all the fixed signs: Aquarius, Leo, Scorpio. Okay. Then I can also see Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, I already told. Then Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. I can see all these signs. These signs might be your person's signs, but don't go by the signs, because this is general reading. Then so many people are watching this, so it will resonate with everybody, right? So don't go by the signs. Okay, then next one is like three of I mean sons. That means that definitely this person is waiting in waiting energy. Maybe this person is waiting for their past person or ex. Okay, so this person is waiting for the other person, but at the same time they will be holding one thing in their hand. One offer is already there with this person, but still they didn't get married with this person. So what vibes I'm getting from this pile? Okay, this person is not at all single. Okay, first one, first category. Then second category, this person is having many options. And the third category, is already divorced or separated from their spouse. Okay, these three categories I'm getting here. Now, then the hanged man, that means they are not able to move anywhere. Or and also I can see this is long distance relationship. This person might be far away from you, and when you meet this person, maybe you will go there or that person will come here. That is kind of a situation. Maybe this is a person is in different state, country, city, whatever it is. Then that kind of a situation. And at the same time this person is in a hanged man position. Maybe they are not able to move, maybe because of corona they can't travel. So that might be the scenario. Okay, then we will get more clarity by pulling more cards. Okay, we will ask spirits and angels, please give us some clarity. Who is their future spouse? Who is their future spouse? My pile number one, my pile one, who is their future spouse or who will they marry? Please spirit, please give us some guidance and clarity. We want some clarity. Okay, ace of swords, page of cups, then five of wands. Bottom of the deck we have the six of cups. Okay, so definitely, as I told you, you know this person already. This person might be your friend, colleague, or childhood friend, neighbor, classmate, college mate, colleague, or ex also. For some of you, you know this person for many years. That's what I want to tell you. So your connection will be very pure and innocent. Okay, as of now your connection is very pure and innocent, and you both respect each other, and this affection is kind of a family member affection. Okay, you look at them like a family member, they look at you like a family member, or you're already was a family or family earlier, then you got separated. So what will happen is this ace of swords is there. That means this person will have a new beginning with you, with a clear by clearing all BS. That means they will clear all the past mistakes or misunderstandings or problems, whatever fights happened between you. So definitely this person will cut everything out, and then they will start a new beginning with you. And also this person will offer you a cup of love, and they are in a page energy. Okay, they'll be even though they are for some of you the person is very young, and for some of you they, even though the person is little older than you, but they will have this emotions, and they will have the childlike feelings towards you. Okay, so they will be like young and energetic youth kind of a person. Okay, child mentality will be child mentality, and this person will be have the pure intentions towards you, and they will offer the love. It is genuine love. Okay, and for this pile one more thing I want to tell you, this pile will be like love marriage. Okay, most of you, 90% of you will have the love marriage, and you know this person already. As I told you, you know this person already. I am little bit fumbling because so many messages are coming in my mind so quickly, so I am not able to deliver one by one slowly. So that is the reason sometimes I fumble. Okay, then five of wands means this person definitely is into some battle, inner, that can be inner battle or battle with the friends or colleagues. Okay, that is the reason they are not able to choose. Okay, as earlier I told you in the earlier spread, this person has options, and also this person have one offer in their hand, but still they were confused. They are in a hanged man position, and they are in a kind of a battle. Like some people are saying, no, no, you don't go for this person. Maybe your mutual friends, okay, they are fighting with. So this is kind of a competition. They feel that they have lot of competition for you. okay, because other people are also competing with this person. That is the reason this person want to show their best to you, and they want to express their feelings as genuine or as honest to you. Then they will come towards you. Okay, now let us see in how many months this might happen. Okay, one card we will take out. What is the time frame, spirit? What is the time frame for their marriage? Please give us some time frame and also guidance. Please give us some time frame or guidance for my pile one, when they can get married. Please give us some tentative time frame and advice also. Okay, the Hermit. So that means this person might be Virgo, or they will come in the month of August. Okay, most probably they will come in August and September, I can see here. So August to September, most probably this person will propose you. Then after that, things will not move so fast, so quick as you expect, because this person takes their own sweet time to decide. They take, for each and every step they will take lot of time. Okay, so universe is telling that you meditate and retreat, soul searching you do, and also you think what exactly you want. Okay, so universe is saying that you will definitely have enough time to understand each other. Okay, so then you will come to a conclusion that okay, finally we can get married, because you know this person, you know he's already your friend, he or she. Okay, they are already your friend, but you take steps one by one. Okay, so let us see initials of your future spouse. Initials of your future spouse: S, A, P, Q, G, C, D, and E. Okay, so these initials may be their first name, middle name, or last name. Okay, please take it however it resonates. Okay, that's all I have for you, pile number one. If you are happy with the reading, if you are resonating with the reading, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and press bell symbol for more notifications. Until the next reading, bye. Whoever chose this tree agate, this reading is for you. Who is your future spouse, or who will you marry? Who is your future spouse, or who will you marry? So whoever chose pile number 2, this tree agate, who is your future spouse and who will you marry? Cards are jumping, friends. So that means you will get married soon. Who will be your future spouse? Who will you get married? Who will be your future spouse? Who will you get married? Please give some guidance and clarity, angels. Okay, Ace of Stars, 9 of Suns, Fortune's Wheel, that means Wheel of Fortune, the Devil. Okay, so for this pile, the signs I can see here: the Devil, Capricorn, then Aquarius, then Scorpio, Leo, and Taurus. And also I can see Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, and Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. These are all the signs I can see here, but don't go by signs, because this is general readings and many people are watching this, so it is for everybody. So please don't go by signs. So I can see here the Devil. That means first of all, let me tell you this person's personality. Okay, this person might be little bit dark, and they are tall, they will be tall, and I can also see they are very powerful, but at the same time they will be very possessive. They'll be little bit controlling. That means they don't like if you talk with other people like opposite gender or opposite sex. So this will be entirely new connection. Okay, I can see that this is entirely new connection, and you don't know this person yet. This person will come into your life soon, because the cards were jumping. So this person will definitely come into your life very soon. And also you will be like waiting, like maybe you're looking for the matches for many months, okay, for some of you many years. So you are in a waiting mode, and you'll be tired by waiting. So then you will meet this person, okay, and it will happen in divine timing. And so divine timing means the time should come. So it is turning, the wheel is turning into your favor. That means the time is coming very soon, so that you will meet this person, okay. So this person will meet you suddenly, okay. So unexpectedly this person or this match or proposal will come to you unexpectedly when you are not even least expecting, okay. So that time you will be like lost your hopes, you will be tired, you will be waiting, you will be defensive. So maybe for some of you, you are saying that I don't want to marry, only I don't want anybody, I am happy in my life. So at that time this person will enter into your life. Let's see more cards to get more clarity, okay. Spirits and angels, please give us some clarity and guidance. Please give us some clarity and guidance. Who will they marry, or who is their future spouse? Whoever chose my pile 2, like 3 agate, who will they marry, or who is their future spouse? Please give us some guidance and clarity, spirit. The Chariot. Death again, friends. And the Sun. Okay. Earlier it was devil, no, it's not death. Okay, Ace of Pentacles. As I told you already, this person is a new person. You might be meeting this person at the workplace, or some, if you are doing any business, you will be meeting there. So this will be entirely new connection, I can say. So now let's see, and you will be very very happy, okay. You will be traveling, you will be going outside the country, and death and rebirth, okay. So that means your old feelings and old anxieties or fears, everything will go off, and you will be, it is kind of a rebirth for you. So you'll be so very happy with this person. So I can see also I can see the signs as a Scorpio, then Cancer. I can see all the water signs. I can see the Sun means all fixed signs. You will be very very happy, and you will have a son with this person. And whoever chose this tree agate, I can see that you are young youth, okay. You are not you are in 20s, I can say. Many of you whoever chose this pile, so they are in 20s, okay. So definitely this is coming. Chariot means it is coming very very fast to you. It is moving very fast. This connection will come to you, or this person will come to you so very fast. And as I already told you, this person will be little dark complexion but very tall and very powerful person. And you will feel the happiness, okay. Whenever the person enters in your life, you will feel definitely the happiness and abundant. Then you feel that whole world is in your hands. That's what you feel, bright and shine, okay. And definitely you will be traveling with this person, if not traveling, but you will change your location, go to another city or state or country. Definitely you will be relocating after meeting this person, after marrying this person, okay. But this will be a new person. This can be arranged marriage, but for many of you I feel that this is arranged marriage. But some of you, you will meet this person at workplace, and definitely this person will propose you, and they will offer you something very stable offer. It can be some kind of business offer, business proposal, or something related to your job. Maybe they will give you any other project, okay. This person might be your manager, something like that, okay. So but will be, it will be, I'm sensing not a love marriage, but it will be arranged marriage, okay. Maybe for some of you it will be love come arranged, but you don't know this person. This person is very new, okay. That's what I'm getting, friends. But let's see, what is the time frame when you will get married to this person. When you will get married to this person, when my viewers get married to this person, when my viewers get married to this person, please give us some guidance and clarity, spirit. When my people, my viewers will get married to this person, one card please. We'll see the time frame and advice also, okay. the Hierophant. Okay, so maybe in another 5 months or in the month of May you will get married. And Taurus also, it might be like around spring only I am getting. Okay, March, April, May. I'm getting March, April, May. I'm getting that you might be getting married, but no, already this is May means next month. But as I already told you, the cards are jumping fast. Maybe the proposal will come unexpectedly, and when you are least expecting, maybe it will come next month itself. That the Hierophant is itself is a marriage card. Okay, whoever is this person is very very stable, grounded, earthy person. Okay, so this person is very famous in the society, and they will have very strong feelings. Okay, this strong values. Okay, so definitely I am feeling that this person might come into your life next month, or if you meet this person next month also, marriage will happen little later. But definitely March, April, May I am getting the months. Okay, let's see their initials: M, V, K, A, I, F, E, R, then Q, T, D, H, and G. Okay, these both are together. Okay, now I got separate. So these alphabets might be their first name, middle name, or last name. So please take it however it resonates. So that's all I have for you, pile number 2. If you like this reading, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel and press bell symbol for more notifications. Until the next reading, bye. Whoever chose this black tourmaline, this reading is for you. Let's see. Who will you marry, or who is your future spouse? Who will you marry, or who is your future spouse? Who will you marry, or who is your future spouse? Okay. So we got already cards here. Wow. 10 of moons, 9 of stars, then 5 of stars, and the Empress. Okay, so for some of you, I feel that you are already divorced or single mother, or they are already married or single parent. Okay, that person might be a single parent, or maybe you are looking for second alliance, and this person will come into your life. And definitely I can see that you will have a your person will have a beautiful family with you, and make a beautiful family with you, because 10 of moons is there, that card is there. That means you both will be very very happy after the marriage. But maybe some disturbances are there before the marriage, because I can see that 9 of stars, or and I can see the 5 of stars. That means there are many conflicts and many fights led, then only you will be together. Okay, 9 of stars means a lot of fear, anxiety, then crying at night, not able to sleep at night. So before marrying this person, okay, this will be love marriage only. I can strongly feel that this is love marriage. And you will have many sleepless nights, fear, anxiety, crying, because maybe your family or their family, they don't agree for this marriage, and you'll be fighting with everybody, and finally you will get the victory. Okay, and as I already told you, this pile whoever chose, they may be divorced, or waiting for the second marriage, or your person is already married and they are looking for the second marriage. That is the reason you have more conflicts and more obstacles, I can say. After overcoming all the obstacles, you will have this happy family life. Okay, this is 10 of moons, that means 10 of cups. Okay, so you will have a happy family, you will have children, you will be seeing rainbows, you will be going to beaches, you will be enjoying your life. Okay, but you have to face some struggles and obstacles before getting married to this person. Let's pull more cards. to know more about this person. Who will they marry, or who is their future spouse? Who will they marry, or who is their future spouse? Who will they marry, or who is their future spouse? Spirits and angels, please give us some guidance and clarity. Please give us some guidance and clarity. Okay, we have so many cards here. So bottom of the deck, two of cups. Okay, as I already told you that this person, this is love marriage, but I can see there are two people in your life. Okay, two kings are there in your life. Maybe you are leaving one person and getting married to other, or you are looking for this reading, maybe because you want to have the confirmation. Okay, one is king of wands. King of wands is very fiery, handsome, and they are very passionate, very attractive, so many sexual desires, and they are very very young. Okay, the king of swords is they are very matured, already divorced, and they are straightforward, cutthroat. They are also very handsome, but they are in a very very powerful position. They are very strong, well built, and tall. Okay, but this person is already married and divorced. Okay, but whoever you are marrying, they are your soulmate. Okay, two of cups means you both are like soulmates, and you have a partnership with each other, and definitely you will have that kind of a strong bonding. You'll be very very happy. Okay, and definitely you will not stay in one place. This person will marry you and take you away from your present current location. You will be traveling, you will be moving to abroad. Okay, you will be going to different city, state, or country, and they will if at all you are a single mother, so definitely this person will accept your child also. Suppose for some of the viewers, if you are looking for the second alliance, so for them I am saying they will definitely accept you and your child also. They are very very kind hearted person, I can say. In this two spreads I have done, but there are no negative cards at all. Okay, but I have seen only the negative cards, because you will have the inner conflict or inner battle, because what society will think, what will happen if I marry this person, will they agree, will my family agree? So many obstacles are there. You have to struggle, fight, then only you will marry this person. But after marrying, definitely you will be having a very beautiful life. Okay, because very romantic cards are there. One is 10 of cups, and another one is 2 of cups. Both are very emotional and loving, romantic. Okay, you both will be very very happy. That's what I can say. So let's pull one card for time frame when you will get married to this person. Let's say the time frame when you will get married to this person. When you will get married to this person, let's see the time frame. Oh, spirits and angels, sun card I saw, but I'm not taking because I was not ready. Okay, please give us some time frame and advice also, spirit. Okay, the chariot. Okay, so the person might be as I told you already, they might be far from you, long distance relationship or connection. They'll be coming towards you very very fast, and maybe they might come in the month of July, and they will propose you. You both will get married, and immediately they will take you to their place. Okay, their country or their state. Okay, you will not stay in this position, current place. So definitely you will be relocating, and whatever it happens, right, it will happen very very fast. So you will not how much ever you struggled, okay, to take a decision, after taking a decision, it will things will work out very very fast. How many ever sleepless nights you had, or how many fights you had with other people, but everything will vanish once you meet this person, because this person is far away from you. You are having all these doubts, fears, and anxieties, but once the person comes to you, this person comes to you personally, and in his or her presence, you will forget everything, all your pains, and immediately you will get married, and it will happen very very fast. They will take you and they will go away. Okay, so they will steal you from your family, and they'll take you away, and also if you have a kid, they will accept your kid also. Okay, let's see some initials of this person. Okay, B S E V G Y Q, then O C K T P L and M. Okay, so these are all the initials I'm getting here. So this can be your person's first name, middle name, or last name. Please take it however it resonates. That's all I have for you, my number 3. If you like this reading, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Press bell symbol for more notifications. Until the next reading, bye.